Hi, so as you can see here, this is the Australian wildfire that has occurred last year. Now, this isn't new in Australia in the southern hemisphere. Whenever it's winter here, it's summer there. And since the temperature has increased rapidly, every year Australia gets bushfires, but last year was different. Over 12 million acres of land burnt and over 1 billion animals killed. This devastating fire was like a natural disaster that went on for months. It's caused by lightning strikes and sparks. Since climate change is a huge problem, right now the fire was greater than ever. But over time has passed, we are going to learn how forests and other ecosystems recover from natural disasters like this one. So, we will start talking about ecological disturbance, which considered as an event caused by a physical, biological, or chemical agent that results in a change of size for a population or in the composition of an ecosystem. We have two types of ecological disturbance. The first one, natural disasters, that comes from fire, storm, floods. The other type is anthropogenic, which caused by a human, like cutting trees, farming, and urbanization. And now the question is, can ecosystem endure the disturbance? The answer is yes. If we have resistance in ecosystem to remain unchanged when being subjected to disturbance, and if we have resilience in ecosystem, the ecosystem can recover from disturbance and return to its pre-disturbed state. Let's look at this graph. The blue line representing the resistant ecosystem and the red line representing the resilient ecosystem. I have examples. Come with me. An example of resistance in ecosystem, lignotubers, woody swellings around the stems of a plant prevent fire from damaging vital plant tissue. And an example of resilience in ecosystem, serotonin. Following a fire, serotoninous cones will open and disperse seeds to take advantage of new resources. And here we will look at some points that help in ecosystem recovery. We all know some natural disasters like fire will eliminate unwanted invasive plants. Not only that, also it will enrich soils with fresh nutrients that will encourage greater plant diversity. And animals are also sometimes attracted to the new growth in fresh burn areas. Add to all that the presence of biological legacies, mobile links, and support areas. I am happy because the burnt trees are beginning to show signs of recovery as small leafy branches sprout from their sides. Thanks for watching.